Hi, and welcome to the onboarding video for sellers who start their businesses on a CS-card-based marketplace. CS-card is a professional marketplace platform that provides a set of tools for sellers to effectively manage their businesses on the platform, from setting up your accounts to withdrawing your money from the marketplace. My name is Jan, and in the next few minutes I will guide you through the process of creating your account and setting up your business on a CS-card-based marketplace. Let's dive in. To set up your business on a marketplace, you must submit a request to become a seller. You can do this by clicking the Become a Seller link on the marketplace homepage. Some marketplaces may have a different name for this link, but it's still the easiest and quickest way to get a seller account. Choose a plan if the marketplace offers one and fill out the form. Once you submit the form, the marketplace administrator will review it and approve your request. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email and will be able to log into your seller dashboard. And welcome to the seller dashboard. The first thing to look at is the built-in onboarding guide. By default, it has 3 essential steps: setting up your profile, uploading products, and setting up shipping. This guide may have more steps depending on the type of marketplace and its business processes. If you need a quick setup, this guide is a great place to start. Once you've set up your profile, it's time to make some visual adjustments so that your microstore design matches your brand. CS-card has visual customization tools to change logos, styles, colors, fonts, and other design elements. If you don't see this menu in your dashboard, ask the marketplace administrator to grant you access to these design tools. Here you can upload your logo. And in the theme editor, choose colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match the visual style of your business. The next step is one of the most important: filling your catalog with products. You have a few options here. Option 1 is to upload products one by one. If you don't have many products, this is the best option for you. Click Create a new product and fill in the details. Once you're done, click Create. The second option is to add products in bulk. This allows you to quickly add multiple products with basic properties and then edit each listing to add more details, images, and descriptions. Option 3 is to import products from a CSV or XML file. This option is good if you have more than 100 products grouped in one file. Mass importing will save you a lot of time, but it still requires some manual checking of the uploaded listings for errors. If you're moving your products from a Shopify store, there's option 4 for you: import from Shopify. Upload a product file from your Shopify store to CS-card and you're ready to go. Once you have a catalog ready, it's time to review your orders. Go to Orders to check on them. This is a very simple page with order statuses and search filters. The order status tells you which order has just been created, which has been cancelled, shipped, and so on. It helps you to avoid confusion. Everything here is super simple and organized thanks to the order statuses. Logistics is one of the most important and complicated processes on marketplaces. Therefore, I recommend that you pay special attention to setting up your shipping options. Everything related to shipping is in Settings, Shipping Methods. Here you can set up your own shipping methods with custom delivery times and rates for different regions. Just make sure the marketplace admin creates rate areas for you. There are also integrations with shipping companies like DHL, UPS, USPS, FedEx, and others. You can create shipping methods based on these carriers for automatic rate calculation. The Message Center is a simple but effective tool for communicating with your customers and the marketplace administration. All messages from buyers and admins go here. For example, if a customer asks you about a product and submits the request directly from the product page, you will receive their message right here. Customers can contact you with feedback or problems. All messages appear here in one place. The same goes for talking to marketplace admins. Here you can ask them to enable or disable features for you, add more payment methods, and so on. To increase your sales, you can create promotions. This feature may not be available in your dashboard by default, so if not, ask the marketplace administrator to enable it for you. Choose rewards, combine terms, and offer your customers attractive deals, free shipping, free products, and more. Keeping an eye on the performance of your business is essential to your success. Analytics allows you to monitor your sales and the overall health of your business. View all your analytics right from the home page of your dashboard. Sales, orders, balance, plan usage, all at your fingertips. Now let's see how you can get your money from the marketplace. By default, when customers make purchases, all the money goes to the marketplace owner. The accounting page keeps track of how much money you can take out or withdraw from the marketplace. Sellers must request these withdrawals to receive their money. Switch to the Balance Withdrawals tab. click the plus button in the upper right corner and create a withdrawal request. From now on, your request will drop to the marketplace owner's accounting page with the status pending. Once the marketplace pays you, the request is complete. It's not always necessary to withdraw your money manually. If the marketplace uses an automated payout system such as PayPal Commerce Platform or Stripe Connect, you will receive your money automatically. Alright, I hope this brief onboarding guide has given you some understanding of how to use your seller dashboard and how to set up your business processes on a marketplace. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the marketplace administration team for more information about each step and feature. And if you're a marketplace owner, feel free to share this video with your sellers to help them get started faster. Put this video right on the seller dashboard above the onboarding guide. Your sellers will thank you.